So over here, you can see that I am in the inbox of my Gmail account, and there's an unread mail over here that you can see right here. If I were to click on this mail, then you can see that it opens up the content of the mail, and you can see the subject of the mail right here and the main content. So it says, "Dear TutorTube, how is the current project going on? And please let me know as soon as possible." So here you can see that I have some replying options where I can go around and select out any one of these preset messages. For example, I can click on yes, it's done, and you can see that it inserts out a text right here. If I don't want to use it, I'm just going to go around and click on the discard draft right here, where I can still see the options, but what I want to do is I want to compose a blank reply. So to do that, you need to click on the reply button right here, and you can see a reply is composed, but you can see that it is blank right here. Over here on the bottom, you can also see the trim content right here, which is threaded over here onto the main content that you see right here. So you can go around over here and type in, let's say, for example, "Dear teammate," mate, just like this, and I'm just going to go around and say, I will be completing it by next week. I will let you know. I will let you know the updates by tomorrow, right here, just like this. So I can just go around and type in something like this, and then hit the send button in order to reply out the mail right here. So one thing that you can do to reply out mail is you can reply right here, and you can also see the trim content right here when you're replying emails. And what you can also do is you can go around onto the reply section right here, which composes out a reply as well. And you can reply to one email message multiple times like this as well. It has that option to do so. So what you can also do is over here on the top, by default, you can see that the sender is tagged out. You can also go around and remove out the sender right here and type in another email address over there as well. But let me just go around and click on reply so I still see the sender, which is usually what I have to keep. I can also add in a CC, a carbon copy mail right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to select out another email address, and I can go around over here and add in another, let's say, channel over here, just like this as well. And this is what you have, as you can see. And I'm just going to go around and say, apologies, and I can also go around and say, I can only give you an update within the next 10 days right here, just like this. So you can go around and compose out a reply and send it out right here, just like this. And all of it gets saved out onto the same area, as you can see. And if I were to go around onto the inbox for the mails that you have replied, you can see it shows up in the same place, which is very, very helpful. And that is how you can go around and then reply out to emails by using Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.